You guys got called over to Taco Bell. Shut down a drive-thru real quick when you do stuff like that.
Your mirrors are right in the way. There we go.
Boy. It's not even remotely close to. I don't even know. The last time it was more over.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
Back through the drive-thru, jack this front tire up, pull her backwards. So.
I certainly hope so. That's how far up on the curb. I would see how we can get it going back that direction.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, we'll just have to. Yeah, like you said, probably get
What
back.
if you, or come over this way and lifted it up from this side, pulled her that way.
Probably easier just to go back.
Okay, as long as we don't hit the building.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough to get through drive-through, but if I come over this way, then I'll get into her fender trying to lift it.
Okay.
I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Golly, it's like right in the middle too. Hopefully it won't. I could try to lift it from here, and we can block it, and then try to drive it backwards after we block it up.
Yeah.
Might be easier to lift it here, get it blocked, and then if that doesn't work, at least it's already up in the air and blocked, and when I can come around.
Yeah.
Because it immediately needs to come up.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, we'll need the keys here in a little bit. He's gonna come over here and lift it though. Is it in park?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. We'll leave it in park for right now.
Okay guys, leaving Taco Bell. So we got them out. I've done 2 or 3 from this same drive-through right here. So if you guys are in town on Wares Valley, the one by Kroger, you decide to hit yourself some Taco Bell, just remember that that curb does not allow you to leave the parking lot to the right. You have to go all the way around the building and exit on the gas station side. And you know, if the driver's in the driver's seat with their butt firmly planted, ready to eat some tacos, you cannot see. So if your passenger doesn't say anything, that curb on that side is about 8 inches high, maybe a little higher, 10 inches high. It's enough to you better bring your Jeep to town if you want to turn right.
Probably 8 or 10 inches high on that side, but on the other side it's probably 12 inches high.
Yeah, that's probably a foot back here towards the back. We've had some people back here further towards the back.
They tried to leave drive-through line.
That just went off over there, but yeah, just remember, yeah, either have tacos in your lifted Jeep with 37s or exit the parking lot to the left. That's going to be a lot easier on your oil pan. We were able to get that one blocked up. I've winched them out backwards and blocked up the front wheel. I've put my floor jack under them before and scooted them backwards on the floor jack. I have had to do a whole mess of creative things in that and on that curb over there, but that one wasn't bad. I was able to get that one wheel lifted up and get some blocks up under it, and then we just drove it off after we got it blocked up. So that one worked out very well. We're headed back down the parkway and see what else we can get ourselves into. We appreciate you guys watching that one. Another tidbit on things to not do in the Taco Bell drive-thru. Free parking on that. They shut down the whole drive-thru on that one, guys. So when that happens, it's always the last time that one happened there. Get this one in. I know I said I was leaving, but I had one more thing that come to my brain. They shut down drive-thru, so they lost out on quite a bit of money on a busy Saturday night. And they were very happy that we were able to rescue those last people. So they come out with a whole mess of food for us. Like I had tacos for weeks. He came out with a whole bag of food and said thank you. The manager was super cool there. But they always take care of us. Always take care of us there. But now my rant is over, and now I'm on the parkway, and we're going to get out of here. And like I said, guys, appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. I'm sure there's more coming for this fantastic holiday weekend. Okay, guys, another slippery day. Tower Road over in Gatlinburg. We got a gal over here not too long ago that went up this same exact road, and there was no place to winch, no place to turn around. We're at it again with a little Mini Cooper. These folks said bring a chainsaw and a tow truck. So
It's always a good sign.
That's what we brought, a chainsaw and a tow truck. See if we can rescue a Mini Cooper, guys. What do you think?
Well, at least it's small.
Yeah.
Turn left onto Tower Road, then your destination will be on the right.
Lumberjack. I am not a lumberjack. My saw does not reflect that I'm a lumberjack. It is the most generic saw that you could pick up from any Lowe's home improvement.
It is pretty pitiful.
So, Mike,
He laughs at you.
you can laugh at me, Mike. It's fine. I needed to call you.
On the right.
Oh, goodness.
You might have to have Mike up here. I don't know.
Well, they weren't kidding about a tree, were they?
Hi, guys. Hey, I'm doing good. How about you?
Oh, yeah, we're doing good.
Just being real dumb
We
here.
took a
Trying
Mini
to
Cooper
take
up
the
here and
most city
got
cars.
stuck in this
Stressed
little spot here. So
You're in a, yeah.
are we on
good
a,
time.
Are you guys filming? Are we on a reality show? Or?
Yeah.
Really?
We've got a YouTube channel.
Okay.
No, you don't. So do we.
Getting people out of smoky homes?
We do, yes. This is what we do all the time. It's usually over there though, but
Yeah,
Well,
well,
Oh,
this
it's not
way.
like this. Is this something that you can do?
this is better. Yeah, we'll
Basically, we just need to get this tree cut, I think, but the car is kind of down in there now. We kind of grounded in, trying to get it
Yeah.
We're up there. You can see where the tire hurts.
out. And then it kind of dragged, the wheels just wouldn't turn and we got dragged into the ditch.
It's just a
Basically, we tried to get up this hill and then we tried to reverse
This thing
down.
is
and
not
then-
meant to go up here at all.
it is not the mountain vehicle, right?
Definitely, it was
Not the mountain
especially with the
vehicle.
rain.
But what an amazing view, though, right?
I know.
I mean, if I was going to break down, it would be here.
Good call saying to bring a chainsaw, because that's reminded them.
Yeah, that's yeah, it looks like we could maybe just cut that out of the way and just back it up.
Yeah, we should be able to.
Back down.
We tried to move it. It's definitely too heavy to move.
It's like I could get in front of you and winch you back forward, but I don't know if there's quite enough. I don't know how solid that side is over there.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think if we chop it right there, I can turn out and just roll back down.
Yeah.
Should be.
Pretty awesome view up here, though.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We got something to look at.
There's worse places to be stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I guess it's in park. Emergency brakes on.
Emergency brakes on.
emergency brakes are on.
Emergency brakes on.
You were in the seat.
Okay, just make sure.
Let's try.
service you offer too?
No, dude, I don't even think it's nothing. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, if anything, that's a little parking lot.
There's a dimple.
There's a ton
That's it.
for what that situation
Yeah, that was
could have
it's
been.
like this big.
That's a good insurance, right?
We should, hopefully, through corporate.
Oh, yeah.
This corporate insurance.
Look underneath. What's that stuff underneath? It's interesting.
There is something stuck.
There's other branches that we ran over.
Oh, yeah.
There is something underneath.
Just smaller plants.
Yeah, it'll come right back over. So, yeah.
I'm getting out of the way. I'm getting out of the way.
All right.
Yeah, move out the way, obviously.
I'm going
Right
right
there or back here by this truck? Hold on just a second. Let's get this chainsaw.
You don't have you don't have any of our logos or anything like that, right?
No, it could all be worked.
Okay.
Yeah, we go through and edit everything.
Okay. I'm fine with whatever. I just don't want to.
Yeah,
We're here on a work trip.
Yeah. No, it
Literally
makes,
harmless accident. We're
Yeah.
going up. We're going. Oh, we're not going to be able to go up. We tried to come up here and film, and then we're like, this is going to be interesting coming down.
yeah, these gravel roads are crazy sometimes. They're just so steep.
So, it is steep.
Okay, my friend, I'd keep the wheel just the way it is. I might even turn a little bit more that way. Right there. There you go. Now I'd straighten it up. Perfect.
Yeah. He's flying on the front wheel.
Yeah, you'll just have to go. I'm guessing you're gonna have to back this thing all the way out of here.
Yeah, that's fine.
What I would do is put it into neutral so it's not pushing you in reverse. And
Just hold the brakes lightly.
yeah, just very lightly on the brakes. I'll get my truck out of the way.
Good job, Lumberjeff.
No. Sorry, Mike. But a little foggy up here. Little rain, a little smoky. But pretty cool.
Yeah, and once we'll just back it into here, we can drive straight
yeah,
out here.
just come straight down.
Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, buddy. I'm glad everybody's okay. That's
yeah.
It's just a weird situation.
it is.
The whole thing happened fast but slow.
I literally could not turn it out. I mean, this car is not meant to be.
No. And we've been up here several times on this road.
Pacific Hill.
Yeah, it's just so steep. When it gets a little weather, it's kind of crazy. All right.
That horn is so intimidating. You're good.
Good deal. Okay, Mike, you might want to hire me. I'm not sure. Might want to change professions. I was pretty efficient with that generic chainsaw back there. Now, I'm not cut out for that chain or that tree work. Mike's amazing. I need to get you back over to cut that tree down too. I know we've been coordinating back and forth. It's busy. Anyway, it's not going anywhere. It's a healthy tree right now. But guys, we got this big tree that grows up through our porch, and it's like 1.5 feet away from our house, and we got with Mike on trying to take that out, and we'll get back with him again. We thank you, Mike. We appreciate you. But anyway, guys, we got them out of there, and we didn't have to winch them. We just cut those branches out of the way. It did have the smallest of dent or ripple in the back of that bumper cover, but it fared pretty good. It didn't really have any scratches anywhere else, and that could have ended a lot worse. But that was the easiest thing. If I didn't have the chainsaw, we'd be looking for ways to get around them, and that was a really steep drop off on the other side. Of course, it's all steep. Beautiful views up here.
Yes, it is.
But we did get them out. Got the saw, trimmed them up, and just simply back them out of there instead of. And I guess that tree was probably across the road at one time, and then they just didn't clean it up, didn't finish cleaning it up, because it looked like it just went to the cell phone tower.
Cell phone tower, yeah.
I don't know, whoever owns that up there, whatever cell phone company owns that tower or the rights to that tower, probably just pushed it out of the way because their guys can get up there. They've got utility trucks or four-wheel drive, whatever they use. I don't know. I'm not a cell phone tower guy, but those guys are very useful people. So thank you to all my cell phone guys out there keeping the phones on. Without the phones on, I'm in trouble. I'm fogging up over here. But guys, we're back down it. That road, Tower Road, takes you back down to 321 right here by Smart Bank, just a few minutes out of downtown Gatlinburg. We are spilling out over here. Probably scoot back over to Pigeon Forge. I don't know. We don't have any calls outstanding right now. We might stick around over here in Gatlinburg. I'm not sure. But whatever we do, we will bring you guys with us. We appreciate you guys tagging along. So stay tuned. Probably got more coming. Anyway, guys, I wanted to do a shout out because this is super cool. Mason, congratulations on the graduation. Liz and Tom were his parents. Reached out to us from Fruitport, Michigan, I believe it was. Guys, this is, like I said, first and foremost, congratulations to the graduating high school. Super cool. Happy for you. We appreciate you watching. Mom and Dad reached out and said that you watch our channel. They wanted to get you some things, and wow, that's really cool that you want our stuff for the graduation. But we're going to get. I don't want to spoil it, and I'm sure this will be late, Mason. I think you'll probably have your stuff before this video comes out because we're several weeks behind on videos. But hope you like the t-shirt, and congratulations again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank the family for watching, and thank the family for the support on purchasing those t-shirts, and we'll see if we can get that stuff sent over to you. But I wanted to get that out of the way because that was really cool. And we get a lot of those, but that one just kind of that one wowed me, guys. Thank you. We appreciate that. But we're gonna get back in here, scoot off, and get back to work.